The fuel in the bus has been sitting there for a while, and even though every time I try to go start it up, it starts up just fine, I'm getting a little bit worried about how long the diesel's been in there. So I got this siphon and a couple of diesel tanks, and it's free to get rid of hazardous waste and fuel at our local transfer station, so I'm just going to be doing it myself. I tried to find services that would do it, but nobody's really, I don't know, I just can't find somebody that would come out and siphon and replace my gas or my diesel, so I'm going to do it myself. Alright, I've got the diesel fuel coming out now. It took a little bit of trying to get the siphon to start working. It's got an arrow for which direction you're supposed to be going. I didn't notice it first, but yeah, it's working. Just trying not to spill right now, and also recording a video. But yeah, you can see it coming out there. It's a 60-gallon tank that I think is half full. So I've got 10 gallons of storage right here, which is not going to be I'm probably going to have to do a couple of trips. But I want to try to get out a bunch of the fuel, empty the tanks as much as possible, and then replace it with clean fuel. I know I can also use additives, but I think that this is a much better solution for my engine, to just get rid of the old fuel, which is really over a year old at this point, and yeah, replace it with some new fuel that I know is clean.